I'm going to be Daredevil here and see if I lift this up. Does it go da-da-da? It's not doing anything. Oh no. Oh no. Now I can't even do a directory. Let's try again. What in the world? All right. I swear I did test the machine and it was loading everything. Hey, it's Tom from Texas and it's time for another Floppy Deep Dive Live. Hello, Dora Lexon. Hello, Sergeant Major H. And this is our third stream now, and a lot of you are regulars coming back and I love it. And we've got Daredevil Dennis, the sequel. I'm supposed to be jumping those. Oh. So as a Daredevil, I jump flowers? That's pretty dangerous. Collect balloons. All right, did the first one. Scene one's done. Oh, now we got something right on a motorcycle. I can jump. All right, scene clear too. Going, moving on. Got more flowers. Oh, oh, the bike explodes. Did you see that? I just typed, I didn't realize I could have touched that flower, but when I did, it just immediately erupted. Crazy. I love the explosion though. The explosion actually makes me laugh. That's a heck of an explosion. Any moldy floppies? Not from my collection. I don't really have moldy floppies. I've picked up other people's collections where I have found that. And yeah, that's been an issue for me that I'd have to clean it. I've got that cleaner. I bought this from some guy in France. I think they shipped it to me. But you got this cleaner here that you put your floppy on and you turn it and you basically, if I could show on the screen, turn it here. And that's just a floppy cleaner. Sometimes it's better just doing it by hand, but I have that one too. All right, next is a 6-box speaker freak. Not sure what that is. Any guesses? Think it's like something with a modem? Yep. Looks like it. Oh, that's a bad number. We'll go with 7. Ah, it's a phreaker. 6 blocks though. Yep, phone freak program. A little different. Give you guys a little utility instead of a game. Always trying to get something for free back in the day in the 80s. Anything we could do so we could call long distance, right? I can even call Dallas without it being long distance. We are jumping now to saucer attack and fingers are crossed that this is actually going to be what I think it is. And I get to use a joystick and I actually get to shoot saucer. Here we go. I think it is what I was thinking it is. Shoot the saucer. Not bad graphics. I'm liking the White House up there. Uh-oh. I'd say this is my favorite one on this floppy so far. Let's give it another go. Oh, I thought I had it. So every time I miss, they get a point. Is that what that's saying? I wasn't paying attention to the bottom. Why am I missing so much? Good Lord. Oh, I hit him on that one. I'm in a slump thinking about it too much. What the H? Finally. Good Lord. I had to get out of my slump. It's like they came indestructible all of a sudden. I couldn't hit his side of the bar. I think if it gets to 50, I'm out. Oh, he's taking it out. I love those lightning shots. Finally. The crosshairs don't move nicely. Like it only goes to certain sections, so it's hard to get it right on it because sometimes it's a little above or a little below, but it won't let you adjust exactly where you want to be. He's very close to 50. Yeah, they get to 50, it's game over. Trackball would be cool on it for 100%. I was letting Earth down big time there, Jerry. 100%. Mr. Squeakers, I let you down, buddy. Absolutely, you could cheer for the aliens. Yeah, not a bad game. I give this one thumbs up. We're going to go to Bristles. And if Bristles is what I remember, I think you're painting rooms or something like that. 1983, Peter the Painter. Before Mario Paint, there was Peter the Painter. Kind of looks like Mario. He's got the mustache. Duh. Come on. All the way up. Oh no. It's flashing at me. Does that mean I'm running out of time? Pam? Who's Pam? Paul? Oh, there's other guys. Patty, Patrick, Priscilla, Perry, Peggy, and Peter the Painter. Well, let's be Patrick. I gotta do it again, guys. One more time. I like this game. Good or not? Tell me he doesn't have a Mario look to him. I think he does. Keep falling down the elevator. Just like that. Oh, I forgot this first level. Easy. Good Lord, they didn't want me to finish that. I want to know what's after the if. I gotta do another letter to see what the next word is. Luigi. I know Scotty, I have to wait for that elevator. I get impatient. I gotta channel my 80s inner Tom and bring back patience and not be wanting everything instantly. On the rave. Gotta hurry, gotta hurry, gotta hurry. Dang it. Not gonna make it. Don't know what the F is. Alright, that's Bristles. I give that one a big thumbs up. Ah, there we go. Space Pilot, huh? I always liked this game as a kid. I remember playing it in the arcade probably more than this version. But I'm a little bit better on shooters than I am on the platform games. Actually, I like this one a lot. I forgot all about it. I think I have this Time Pilot on the ColecoVision. Which wasn't Space Pilot. It actually was Time Pilot on the ColecoVision. So what do you guys give this one? Are you a fan of this one? Did you play Space Pilot back in the day? I know I did for sure. Oh, bomb! I go to rescue the guy and I get knocked out by a bomb. Never downloaded games on the 64. At the time I had 300 baud. Took too long. I even did when I had 300 baud because I just let it run all night. There we go. Finally got to take out that blimp. Actually, I think now that I'm thinking about it, I played this version a lot, which was really a good one. Yeah, definitely thumbs up on there. Hey, Jerry, look at that. Good to see you, Game Time with Uncle Jer. That's awesome. I always wondered if you were going to show up to one of these. I just figured you're too busy writing those articles for Compute Gazette. You didn't have time to jump on. Well, that's good because I keep reading them, so you keep writing them. Those are my favorite ones. I always make sure I check those out. Of course, we got to play Pitfall when it's on here. I actually love the Commodore 64 version. Let's get past this. I need some Tarzan yell. Anyway, that's Pitfall. Of course, I give that thumbs up. That's a classic. Everybody knows it. I am literally a cursor. I think someone made this game. No wonder it's 39 blocks. Well, of course, everybody makes a game, but I think this is homemade. That or they typed it in from a magazine. I love Gyrus. The music in it's incredible. The music's best. Everyone, had to tell me in the comments that it's Bach. I don't know if I realized it was Bach, so I did learn from that. Oh, I want the double. Alright, got double now. Gotta be one of my favorite games. It's just a classic. If you never heard it or ever played it, you've gotta play Mancopter one time in your life. Let's get started here. Yeah. and you drop on the guys. Yep, it's all kind of coming back to me. Turn the music down a little bit. Blasting myself out over here. I can't even hear myself talking. I don't remember this game, guys. Oh, I think he ate me. I gotta turn the sound up a little bit. I'm getting a little hard of hearing. Put gold here. Well, if I find the gold, I will. I can't run through him. Pushing up and down do something? I don't know. Oh, there's a sword. Can I get it? Yes. Now I can do stuff. Is this gold? Oh, I don't want to fight him. I want to put my gold back. Oh, he's safe. He's protecting it. Fight him. You must land your copter on an oil rig at night in the height of a storm. There's some sound. So it's dead of night. You can't see anything. Oh, and I still hit that tower. Oh, little Pac-Man action. Along with, what's the game where they're going on the sides like that? Is that like a Axis Assassin? Or like Tempest? Mr. Squeakers, you have never played Raid over Moscow? Oh no. You've got to play this. Go that way. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. I still fight this hanger. I have nightmares about this hanger. It is a golden gem. And obviously if you do better than me and you get out of the hanger and you fly and you do the different levels. It was just a classic. There we go. Dang, it's already over, almost to Chicago. Right? You do get to blow up the Kremlin. All that work to get out of there just to crash into a tree. Oh my gosh. That was just sad. Well, one left. One left. Here we go. Make it a good one here. Yeah, Beachhead 2 is a classic. Beachhead's a classic. All those, they just did so good on those. Great games. Oh. All right, that's it. That was Raid over Moscow. Black Rock Pot Outlaws there. There's 5 here. Alright. How do I jump? It doesn't, the horse doesn't jump. Punchy PC Bobby across the stage, use keys. Let's see what it is. Ah, now I'm in the UK. Not as detailed as Mounty Mike. And this is real football, not soccer. I'm cameo. Okay. Going for it. My brother Rich and I used to play this game quite a bit. I don't really remember how to play, but just made a pass and it worked. This time I am. This time we're at 38 people in here at this for 3 hours in. That is pretty dang good. It's awesome to hang out with you guys. Fridays are becoming one of my favorite nights to hang out and do all this retro stuff. And it was just a blast. Thank you. Thank you so much. GDL Arcade, thank you. And Hound Doggy, thanks for all those who come over and over and keep coming and been here for all 4 of them or 3 of them. I appreciate it. That is just awesome. Thanks, guys. All right. Thank you. I got to end it. Boom. See y'all next week.